Hello everyone, in this lesson we'll talk about custom formatting. Now formatting means changing the appearance. Custom formatting means when you want to customize your formatting basis of your requirement. For an example, in Excel we can show our values in dates with decimal places, with some currency symbol, dollars, rupees, like this, correct? So those are the predefined formatting. But the situation where I want to customize them basis of my requirement, for an example, I want to show my dates into weekday format. I want to add unit after numbers. For an example, you can see here this is 446 and I want to show my 446 into miles. I want to convert my large numbers into million and billion formats. This is a million format right now. Using custom formatting, you can also change the color. You can add indicators, any icons you can add. You can align your number by decimal and you can add preceding zeros also before number. So these all things we can perform using custom formatting everyone in Excel. Now custom formatting consists of 4 sections which start with positive, negative, zero and text, and every section is separated by semicolon, you can see here. Okay. So let's start with the practical example. Let me open my Excel workbook and let's start with the Excel workbook everyone. Here we have captured data. All are the date values. My date values are in number right now. You can see this is 42370. If I select this entire data and go to this number group under home tab and click on this drop down panel, you can see the 2 predefined format provided by Microsoft. One is short date, second is long date. If I pick short date, my numbers are formatted in dates format. So this is everyone a predefined format. Let me just discuss about the basics of date values first and then we'll jump to the formatting. In Excel we hold 2 types of values, one number, second character. And Excel capture date as number in the memory. And this series starts from everyone 1st January 1900. So 1st January 1900, if I convert this into number in general format, program returns 1. That means 1st January 2016, if I convert this also into general, returns 42370. That means 1st January 2016 is 42,370 days after 1st January 1900. So this is the series which Excel follows in case of date values. Now let's everyone jump back to the formatting. In formatting for date, we have these 2 predefined formats, short date and long date. If I pick long date in Excel 2016, everyone, my data is in this format now, weekday, January 1, 2016. But in my process, the report which I want to prepare, a weekly report, weekdays are very important. I don't want to tell a story by month or day. I just want to tell, okay, how many number of products we are going to deliver this Friday or how many number of products we are going to receive this Saturday. Okay, so I want to change the appearance of these values into the weekday format. For this, select your entire data, go to this drop down. Under this drop down, go to the number format, more number format section. And in this section, on the left hand side, you can see one category section, and on the right hand side, the preview section. Right now, the values which we have date values, so you can see here date category and some predefined formatting again provided by Microsoft. For example, if I pick this formatting, my data, you can see under sample box a live preview. First is 1st January 2016 and you can see the sample shows, okay, if I select this formatting, my data will come into this format. So let me just hit OK button and everyone, you can see my entire data is in this format now. Let's go back to again more number format. And again under date category, we have some other predefined formats. But what I want to do, I want to customize right now. Okay, I want to customize right now my formatting. So to customize, everyone, we take help from custom category, remove everything from the type box. When I remove everything from the type box, everyone, you can see in the sample box, program returns the memory value of Excel. So Excel hold date values, memory value of dates, and Excel hold date value as a number in the memory. And you can see for January is 42,370. Now, as I want to return weekday from a date, if I use single D, D returns 1. 1st January, D returns day everyone. If I use twice D, this returns day with preceding 0. If I write 3 times D, this returns Friday in short form, and if I write 4 times D, this returns entire Friday. So if I use this formatting everyone, which is 4 times D or a 3 times D, I can format my entire data, which are date values here, into day format. If I hit OK, you can see everything in day format now, weekday format. Correct. Similarly, let's say with weekday you want to add a month also or a year also. Let's go back to the more number formats again, everyone. And like D returns weekday and day, you can use an everyone separator, and you can use hyphen, you can use comma, you can use backslash, forward slash, it's up to you. M returns month, it's January, so you can see M1 in the sample box. If I write twice with preceding 0, if I write 3 times, Jan, if I write 4 times, January. Similarly, if I write twice Y, you can see 16, if I write 4 times Y, 2016. You can show everyone month before day, year before day, it's up to you how you want to customize. So to customize date, we take help from D, M and Y character. You can place D, M and Y at any position, and you can insert single D, twice D, or a 3 times or a 4 times. It's up to you how you want to show them. Let me, for my report, let me just show this one 3 times only, because this is how I want to visualize my data. If I hit OK now, you can see my entire data is formatted, everyone. So this is date custom formatting. Next is how we can add text. Now these are the numbers and these are distance traveled by customers. So these are the distance traveled by customer to reach to our stores, and the distance we have captured in miles. Right now, everyone, if I forcefully write 446 miles, this become text. You can say this is left align and this become text. If this become text, that means we can't use any mathematical operator. We can't sum them, we can't see the average, or we can't see the count of these. Count, yes, we can see, but we cannot use all the aggregate formulas like sum, average. Correct? So what I want to do, without changing the data type, I want to keep them as a number. I want to add a unit, which is miles. So select your entire data, and again, if I click on this drop down, you can see predefined format for number, but I want to customize this, so we'll jump to the everyone under more number format into custom category, and here in the type box, like D returns day, M returns month, Y returns year, everyone, 0 returns digits. So 0 and pound sign hash, both are digit holder. There is a difference between 0 and pound, we'll discuss with in future examples, but right now I want to hold a digit which is 446, so I said okay, I'm using here 0, which is a digit holder. Now it's up to you, everyone. If you want to show your distance in decimals also, you can add decimal 0. This will show your data up to 1 decimal places. If you want to show your data up to 2 decimal places, you can add one more 0 here. Okay, so this is how you can play with decimal places. Right now for this, let me just show my data without decimal places, and after one space I'm writing my unit in double quotes, miles. So guys, you can add any text in double quotes. You can add any text prior to your holder, a digit holder, or after a digit holder, it's up to you. So now you can see in my sample box, this is 446 miles. If I hit OK, you can see entire data is with unit. If I select this cell, my values are still number values. We have not changed the data type of my values, and we have just formatted, we have just changed the appearance, and my formatting is now everyone 0 space miles.